Today we will do some practice question of exercise first 1.1. Here the first sum is write a rational number equivalent to 5 by 7. That is, we have to write any number that is equivalent to 5 by 7. Now you can find any equivalent number by multiplying this with any number. That is, you can multiply it with 2 and similarly divide it by 2. That is equals to 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. This is the first equivalent number. Similarly, you can multiply with 3 and divide it by 3, that is 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Similarly, you can find any number by multiplying this and dividing this with any number 4 5 6 7, but the number that should be multiplied and divided is must be same. So here I multiply 2, that is equals to 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 5 3s are 15. Now the second question is write three rational numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now we have to write three rational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now we have to find three number, so we add 1 2 3, that is 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. Now we multiply and divide by 4, therefore we get 1 by 7 into 4 by 4 and 2 by 7 into 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 7 4s are 28 and 4 2s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Now we have to write three number between these number, and the three numbers are 4 by 8, then 5 by 28, 6 by 28, 7 by 28. These are the three number which lies between 4 by 28 and 8 by 28. Now the third question is write an example of whole number. That is, we have to write one example of whole number. As we know, whole number started from 0 and it can be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, but it must be with a complete number, that is 0 1 2. It must not contain any decimal number, that is 1.2 1.3. that is not a whole number. Now the answer can be 0 1 2 3, any number like 99 44 47 etc. These are the whole numbers. Now the question number 4 is write three rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now we have to find three rational number between 1 and 2. Again here 1 by 1 and 2 by 1, the denominator is same, so we directly find the three number by adding 1, that is we multiply and divide it by 3 plus 1, that is equals to 4. Now it is equals to 1 into 4 by 4 and 2 by 1 into 4 by 4, which is equals to 4 1s are 4 by 4 and 4 2s are 8 by 4. Now between these two numbers, the three numbers are 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, which lies between these two numbers, that is 4 by 4. The next number is 5 by 4, next number is 6 by 4, 7 by 4, and the last number is 8 by 4. Now the question number 5. Here the question number 5 is write five rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now we have to find five rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here the first case is the denominator is not same. So first we make the denominator same by multiplying this number with the LCM or with any number, that is here the denominator is 2. We can multiply this number and divide this number by 2, and here the denominator is 2 and we multiply and divide by the denominator of this number, that is 4. Now first we make the denominator same. Here to make it same, we multiply this number by 2, which is the denominator of second number. We multiply first number by the denominator of second number and divide it by the same number, and the second number we divide and multiply with the denominator of first number. Here the first number is 1 by 4 and the denominator is 4, so I multiply with 4 and divide it with the same number, that is 4. Now 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8, and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now the denominator becomes same. I repeat it again. To make the denominator same, we multiply the first number with the denominator of second number and similarly divide it with the same number, and again with the second number we multiply it with the denominator of first number, that is 4. Now I multiply it with 4 and similarly divide it with the 4. Here the denominator becomes same. Now we have to find the 5 number, so we multiply and divide it by 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. Now multiply it with 6, which is equals to 6 2s are 12, 8 6s are 48, and 6 4s are 24, 8 6s are 48. Now between these two numbers we can write any numbers like 13 by 48, 14 by 48, 15 by 48, 16 by 48, 17 by 48. These are the 5 numbers which lies between these two numbers. Or you can solve this sum, that is between 4 and 1 by 2. You can write any other 5 number. Here I explaining another method to solve this. Here we first make the denominator same, and here I already explained that you can multiply it with directly with the denominator of first with the second and second with the first. But in case you do not use this method, you can use this method. Here the number is 4 and we check it on which number that should be multiplied with 2, that it is equals to 4. Now 1 by 4, and we can multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2, which is equals to 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now again the denominator becomes same. You can multiply it with any number, that becomes the denominator same. But here you have to remind that the number should be multiplied, that the denominator becomes same, that is 2. It should be multiplied with 2 so that we get 4. Now 2 twos are 4, the denominator becomes same, and here we can say that we multiply it with 1 and divide it with 1. 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4. Now the denominator becomes same. Again we have to multiply and divide it, so we have to find the 5 number. So we multiply and divide it by 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. Now 1 by 4 into 6 by 6 and 2 by 4 into 6 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 6 twos are 12, 6 fours are 24. Now again the denominator becomes same, so you can write any number between these numbers, that is 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. These are the 5 numbers that lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. These are the 5 numbers that lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. You can use any method from these two methods.